Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to process drone image in Global Mapper with GCPs, and I am using version 26 of Global Mapper. In the LiDAR analysis, click on point to pixel, use main window instead of wizard, and now we will click on the file and add our images. Select all the images. Import in point to pixel tool, and now we will add our ground control point, and we will select here our GCPs. So double click on the GCP, it will automatically select all the images near with GCPs. Now we will find our GCP in the image and define target on image, and now we will zoom it to the center and drag it. Module automatically search for the target in the possibly overlapping image, so don't do this. I'm doing it to show you. So let's say we found 6 of 13 overlapping images. So look at this, it will automatically place the GCP in the wrong direction. So don't do automatically search. We will be doing it on manual process. So I'm going to remove the GCP. Now we will double click image, we will find our GCP in the image, and sometime it not clearly visible GCP in the image because it take an other angle. So that's how we will define and right click. So no, click on no. Now we will search for other images. So look at our GCP, we will zoom in and define target. Here we will be doing the same process with other images. Click on define target. Yes, no, so cancel it. We will be not automatically search on a target. So our 4 4 images is now define on a target, define target. Now we will select another GCP and zoom all the images. Click on define target and image, right click and drag it. So no, we will be doing it manually. Define target on image. Yes. Right click and drag it. Click on no. So when we will place, when we will define target in image for GCP, so on the left side, look at it will change the color from yellow to cyan. So we add our GCP to the image, and now we will search here for some verification to find GCPs on images. So look at here, there's a 7 number on GCP. It's rightly placed on an image, and now we will start processing. So I am generating ortho image. You can also generate point cloud, mesh 3D model. So I am going for ortho image. So we will verify our image in GCP. After that, I am starting the processing. And so it's okay. Generate ortho image, and now I will the name. So it start. Processing, and now my image is exporting to JPG 2000. I am generating a high quality image. So operation completed successfully. Click on OK. It will be automatically open in global mapper. So look at the quality, and it's an UTM. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.